Hello, croeso I Venter. Well, I'm hoping you all survived the thunderstorms last night, but I saw it spectacularly from Denby. That was just in flashes. It wasn't necessarily the whole hog. So we're just going to go around the playground live and see what we find. Currently there's nobody watching, so I'm talking to myself for the time being. But you can watch this back later. I'm not sure if this live thing's going to work, or whether we're just better off taking pictures and posting them as time goes on. Oh, we have one. Hello, that one person. I can't see who you are, unfortunately, but hello nonetheless. Right, so, to begin with, we accidentally left the costumes out last night, so we're probably going to have to make some hangers of some sort later and put them out to dry so that we can use them again. Otherwise I'm sure they're going to get pretty stinky and smelly. I noticed that the swing's been put up. I don't know whether that was a case of solving an argument yesterday or whether that's just the closing procedure. What else have we got going on here? You can see that all the sand has sort of shifted on the walkway here. I'm sure we can give that a bit of a brush later. Oh, a lot of cardboard has disintegrated over by the fire pit. Oh, and there's a tile there. Tiger. Try not to trip over that. What else have we got? Oh, a bit of housekeeping. We've got some lost property. Hello, Bronson's brother, Andrew Turner. Okay, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Dimension X. So if anybody's missing a water bottle this morning, it's here. It's on the fire pit. Right, so let's carry on. What we got over here? I'm sure the waterworks were doing their own thing last night. No need for the pump. That was just going of its own accord. Did anybody get any good photos of the thunder and lightning last night? It was pretty impressive from what I saw. Another bit of lost property. Bit wet and manky. Gonna need a rinse that one. But it's a Jasper, oh god, Jasper Conran jacket. Very posh. If only it was in my size, I'd be in luck today. Well, for the time being, that is on the water pump. So if anybody has lost a Jasper Conran jacket, it is here. Have a wander into the nature. Oh, got an open container. So that means somebody's hard at work this morning. Not sure who. Oh yeah, all looking a bit greener today. The nature area always does like a good soak. Very good. Oh! Nice little birdie. Oh! Then we have our tree house, which is currently out of commission. Although it looks like somebody's tried to get up there. We'll have to see about opening that back up. I'm not sure of the story on that one, because for those of you that don't know, I've not been around for a while, so let's keep on going. The Americans and the zip wire still standing. All very good. Is that a new crash mat? Always handy on the venture. Oh, and here we have new sand from play day. So that is now all on the bottom of the slide, which I'm sure more resembled a waterfall this time well, not this time last night, because then it wouldn't have been last night, would it? It would be this time yesterday, which isn't at night. I'll try and stop talking as much crap now. Let's see what else we've got. Could probably do with a fire today. I always think we could do with a fire. We have a bike that's turned up. I'm not sure whose that is. Oh, we've got movement over here. Well, it's Karen putting out the rubbish. Say hello to Facebook. Say hello to Facebook.
Hello, Facebook.
That's Karen, our early years manager. We're live on Facebook.
Just cleaning the rubbish.
From last night?
No, from the early years area.
Oh, right.
Yeah, just having a big tidy.
General tidier.
Yeah.
Did you hear the thunderstorm last
I
night?
did, yeah. It poured down, didn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a wonder it's not flooded here, but
I know.
We've escaped it this time, haven't we?
We have. Well, I've just been round to check that everything's alright and everything seems pretty stable. So
Lovely. Yeah.
we'll be on for opening at 1 o'clock. See you
Lovely.
later.
Great.